joining me again on another episode of Taste and See with Dee. Today we'll be making potato Dauphinoise with spinach. I peeled some potatoes here. I have a little bit of butter, Parmesan cheese, fresh spinach, and heavy whipping cream. These are all the ingredients that we will need for our potato Dauphinoise with spinach. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I will do is I'm gonna slice each one of these potatoes thin. Then slice these potatoes. This is one of the first recipes that I learned when I went to the Art Institute for their basic cooking class. I learned this recipe and a whole host of other nice little recipes. And I think what I like most about this recipe is that it's a really unsuspecting recipe, meaning that it's so simple you don't expect it to be as good based off of the simple ingredients, but it's really good. And I've never had it with spinach before. I just decided that I had been getting a lot of requests online asking if I could do more vegetable recipes. So hopefully everyone that's been requesting this, hopefully you'll like it. And hopefully you'll try it. Okay, so got them all sliced up. Next thing I'm going to do is I want to salt and pepper potatoes. Lightly salt and lightly pepper. Okay, I have my pan here, and I am going to spread the butter at the bottom of my pan and around the sides. Now I'm going to layer the bottom of my pan with the potatoes. Put a layer of spinach. Parmesan cheese. Butter each layer. Okay, and so we'll just complete that until all the potatoes are gone. Be very generous with the Parmesan cheese because it adds so much flavor to this dish. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? I love this recipe. Okay, so now we're going to add some heavy cream to this and then get this in the oven. So you want to pour all of the heavy cream over it. Okay, let's get this in the oven. Lovely, isn't it?